Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be reviewing the Dermasucton. As seen on TV, it's supposed to like suck the dirt out of your pores. It has four suction heads. A small one for everyday use, a large one for blackheads, which I have a lot of, an oval for the corners of your mouth and nose, and a silicone head to absorb the grease and dirt from your skin. Here's the four different heads. Here's what it looks like. I got this from Walgreens for like $20. Literally, I just bought it. So y'all about to see me like use it for the first time. It's stuck. Just for a little background info, I do have combination skin, so I have an oily T-zone and the rest of my face is dry. Before I had my son, like before I got pregnant and stuff, I used to have like such perfect skin, like not even kidding. You can ask anybody, my skin was perfect. Then I got pregnant and yeah, my skin has never been the same since. It comes with instructions and replacement sponge. Okay, comes with a little coupon to get replacement sponges for when you suck all that yuck out of your face. So you guys are gonna watch me use this for the first time. I don't even know how to use this. I'm just hoping it works, because I used to use the Biore strips and them things hurt. Small head, oval head. Oh, okay. So here's what it looks like. You guys can see it has a little switch. It has 4 different speeds. I haven't put any batteries in it yet, so it's not like gonna turn on. But I have batteries right here to put inside of it. It doesn't need a plug. If you decide to buy this, you will need 2 AA batteries. Just letting you know, that way you can buy them before you leave the store. What head is on this? Do I need to put like one of the little spongy things in it? No. Okay, so I need the large one because I'm about to suck these babies out. So I am using the large head because I want to try to get my blackheads out of my nose. I don't know if you guys can see them. My face is like really horrible right now. I haven't been keeping up with my skincare routine, but my major problem is my T-zone. So batteries in, large suction cup. Let's see. Oh, it's on one. Let's see how this goes. Okay. All right. That was a little weird. I think this one's too big. You don't know my name. Sorry. So I'll try the smaller one because this one seems like it's too big for my face. But let's see how it goes now. Okay. I see some stuff coming out. Some stuff's coming out, y'all. Okay. Let's try number 2 because I need to see if this thing is working. So it made my nose ashy. I don't know if you guys can see the little bit of dirt that did come out. That was the small head. Let's see how this oval head works. I'm gonna try all the heads for y'all, like literally right now. I don't really see it doing much, honestly. I don't really see. This is crazy. Can y'all see anything coming out? How? This is actually gross. Okay, well, as y'all can see, it made my nose ashy. I know this is kind of gross, but I don't know if you guys can see like the dirt that did come out. Yeah, so it's not as much as I thought it would be, but okay. So I would give this like probably like a 5 out of 10. I mean, I thought it was gonna do more. It's better than Biore strips, honestly, because those Biore strips freaking hurt like crazy. It's easy to put together, and you just need batteries to use it. So, would I recommend this product? Maybe. I see some kind of difference. Not really though. So I don't know. Y'all. Let me try the last head. Is the silicone head. It's just supposed to get like dirt and grease out. So I have oily T-zone, so I'm gonna do my T-zone right here. Usually gets the oiliest. It feels like weird, honestly. There's stuff actually coming out. not much is coming out and it's making my face red. Yeah, so wasn't what I expected. I guess if maybe it will work better if I had more oily skin, but it pretty much did its job. So here's a better like look at the dirt that came out. It's really gentle on my skin, so I would definitely probably recommend this to use, especially if you have oily skin. It was only, again, $20, so it wasn't that much. And it just made my face kind of like white, so the next time I use it, I know I need to like wash my face and stuff after and moisturize. But thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on all my social medias. They will be linked below. Bye.